So in this video I'm going to quickly go through some of the materials I have in my Element 3D aside Pro Shaders and Pro Shaders 2. So if you're having the Pro Shaders or you're having the Pro Shaders 2, that's fine, but I'm going to show you extra materials or bevels you guys can use in your edit. So it is create a new solid. So I'll create a solid, then I'll add Element 3D. Then let's go into Element 3D. Let's create a shape, and this is just a default shape in Element 3D. So if I go to my materials, you can see I have the Pro Shaders and I have the Pro Shaders 2. These are the ones that most of you guys are using in your edit, but with it we have extra materials here, so I'll go through them very quickly. So we have the Pencil Lab materials. So with the Pencil Lab, these are the materials you have, and these are actually amazing, and these are some of the materials you can find in the Pencil Lab. So I'll just go through them quickly to show you. So we have the Pencil Lab, and we have like this, you have these two, you have a whole lot. So this is the Pencil Lab, and let's go to paper, cardboard. So we have the paper and the cardboard. Have patterns. So basically these are some of the texture in this. So we have the Pencil Lab, and we have the, let's go to Simbad. We have Simbad too. So Simbad, this is how Simbad is. Basics stuff. You also have the E3D material pack 1. So this basically this is also another type of materials or shaders. There are so many, I cannot go through them, so I'm just going through them very fast. Some of them are just insane, some of them are very nice to use. So you can see this type of material here, and you have this too. So let's go to the E3D metals preset. Let's go to this one too, and this is what we have here. So these are the materials we have, and now we have the lite shaders, and these are the lite shaders preset. Then we also have the movie type shaders or materials here. So let's go to the movie type, and this is the movie type too. You have tons of them here, and you can just go through and use them. The one thing about Element 3D is if you know how to create some amazing shapes in After Effects, you can import them as a max and use them in your edit. So if you want to create something like a diamond, you can just create them using max in After Effects, and you just bring them here and you choose some of these presets, and you just create your diamonds, and it's just easy. So just know just know the materials and what we are going to use it for. And we have urban decay. So for the urban decay, we have the physical, and we also have the standard shaders. So these are the physical here. So I'm just using this shape as an example. I'll also go back and we'll use text. So this is the urban decay, and this is the physical shaders. Let me go to the standard shaders. So you can also use this as a texture for your text. So in case you want to make some cool looking texture for your test, you can use this type of textures you find in your preset and use them as a texture. So let me change the light to 360, and this is what we have now. These are all shaders for Element 3D, and you can use them. So this one also have its own preset, very nice looking materials. So guys, this is what, so I want to show you something now. So what I'll do is I'll just hit on OK. Let me reset this. And now let me go to add a test. So I'll be using this test here. Now what I'll do is I'll go to my element 3, go to custom layers, custom text mask, and I'll select my test. And now let's go into element 3D. We'll go to extrude, and we'll have our test here. Another material we have here is the movie type. For the movie type, we have the materials and we also have the bevels. So if I go to my bevels, you know the physical bevels, most of you have the physical bevels here, and the ultimate bevels, most of you have it. So these bevels, I know most of you have it, but we have another bevel called the movie type bevel, and with the movie type we also have the material called movie type. This is the material and this is the bevel. And if I go to the movie type bevel, we have 158 of them, and you just double click and it's going to create a 3D looking test for you without you going through the normal process of adjusting the settings here. This will just create a nice 3D test for you, and with nice materials, and you can just go through them and see the one which looks nice. So I'm just going through them. Some of these have a long extrusion. You can see the extrusion here is a little bit short. So if I go to this side, you can see some have double extrusion, some also have long extrusion like this. So you can see the extrusion map here looks very long. So let's change the light to cinema, and we have something cool like this. And let's go through them and see some of the presets. So if you're done with the 3D test, all you have to do is just go to the materials, and you can go and change the materials here. So with these materials here, you can go and change them. So we have the movie type materials, and you can just go and drag them. So let me see, I can drag and change this. So you can see I've made some changes here. I can go for this, for the yellow here, and you can see we've made some changes here. So these are some of the materials aside pro shaders 2 and pro shaders. These are some of the insane materials I have here. If you don't like this, you just have to go into your materials and choose any materials you want, and just dive into your extrusion model and just change them. If you go to guys, thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and thanks for sharing my content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.